Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail glue is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for fixing broken natural nails, offering a quick and convenient way to restore their appearance and prevent further damage. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and applying nail glue effectively, ensuring a seamless and long-lasting repair that protects your natural nails from further breakage and keeps them looking their best, while also considering factors such as the type of glue, application techniques, and aftercare tips to achieve optimal results. Number 5. Kiss PowerFlex Nail Glue. It's the fastest drying nail glue, giving you budge-proof hold for your false nails. Its precision nozzle makes application easy and mess-free. This glue creates an instant, super strong bond between your artificial and natural nails. Enjoy long-lasting where that lasts for days. Our glue-on nails are quick and easy to apply, lasting up to a week. Get salon-quality results at home with minimal effort. From French manicures to acrylics, it works with all types of nails. Express your style with the hottest colors and designs. Kiss is a global leader in beauty, offering professional quality products. Get that salon-perfect look and feel confident with Kiss. What we like? This nail glue dries quickly and holds on strong, thanks to its handy nozzle applicator. If you need a quick and precise application for false nails or repairs, this is perfect for you. It's ideal if you're short on time and need a reliable bond that lasts. What people say. The drying time is incredibly fast, which is a game changer when I'm in a rush. I've used it for both press-on nails and minor nail repairs, and it holds up exceptionally well, no lifting or weak spots after just a day or two like some other glues. The nozzle tip applicator makes it easy to apply without making a mess, and a little goes a long way. It also bonds securely without feeling too thick or clumpy, giving my nails a natural look while ensuring they stay put for days. Number 4. Kiss PowerFlex Nail Glue. This innovative nail glue provides a budge-proof hold for your false nails. Its brush-on applicator makes application quick and easy. Experience the ease and precision of our brush-on applicator. It's perfect for applying glue on nails and making repairs. It creates an instantly strong bond, setting in seconds for extra long wear. Say goodbye to constantly fixing your nails. It's designed to keep your artificial nails securely in place for up to a week. Enjoy a flawless manicure for days. Create stunning nail designs at home with this glue. It's compatible with various nail enhancements, tips, and wraps. As a global leader in beauty, we provide high-quality products to empower you. Get the salon look from the comfort of your home. What we like? This one's all about easy application with its brush applicator. If you prefer a more controlled and even application, this is the better choice. The strong hold and fast drying time ensures a long-lasting manicure. Number 3. Karlash Nail Repair Kit. Say goodbye to broken and damaged nails. This kit provides an easy and quick solution for repairing cracked or split nails, leaving them looking beautiful and healthy. It's a healthier alternative to traditional nail enhancements. Enjoy a pleasant experience with its non-toxic and odor-free formula. It's more durable than acrylic. It's resistant to chipping and cracking, and it's breathable and water-resistant. Achieve a natural, crystal-clear look. It enhances your nails without looking artificial. It's designed for easy application, even for beginners. Repair your nails quickly and efficiently with the included brush-on gel glue resin. This is a professional-grade dip powder system. It provides superior strength and a flawless finish. What we like? If you value health and durability, this non-toxic dip powder system is a great option. It's more durable than acrylic and offers a long-lasting, chip-resistant finish. If you are looking for a healthier alternative to traditional nail glue, consider this kit. What people say. Save my nail in 30 seconds flat. It really reinforced them and completely fixed the cracked one. This stuff really works. I have long nails and they often get a little tear in the side right down where it connects to the skin. I use this stuff and reapply about every 4 days or so for a couple weeks until it grows out enough to clip the nail and not get the skin. This stuff is a lifesaver for a ripped nail. So easy to use. Just as easy as putting on nail polish, no lumps or clumps like other acrylic repair kits I've used. Put a coat of polish over it and you can't even tell your nail is damaged. Number 2. Nailene Super Strong Glue. This durable glue provides superior holding power for both artificial and natural nails. It's perfect for applying false nails or repairing damaged ones. It sets in seconds, saving you time and ensuring a long-lasting hold. The precision tip applicator makes application easy and precise. Simply apply a thin layer to the nail, press and hold for 5 seconds. It's that simple. For repairs, apply a drop to the damaged area, hold in place with tweezers for 5 seconds, and then buff smooth. It creates a strong bond that lasts up to 7 days. Keep your manicure looking perfect for longer. This essential nail glue is perfect for both at-home manicures and professional nail technicians. It's a must-have for any beauty kit. We offer a range of high-quality, easy-to-use nail products at affordable prices. Try Nailene for fresh and simple beauty. What we like. This glue boasts superior strength and a quick drying time, lasting up to 7 days. If you need a super strong bond for your artificial nails or repairs, and want it to last, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want a long-lasting, durable manicure. What people say. Lasts the longest, can take a lot of wear and tear, doesn't damage my natural nails, they'll be exactly the same as they were before using it. When my fake nails pop off, all the glue will come off with it, so there won't be any glue residue left on my nails. For me, it holds for about 8 to 9 days without taking any special care, and then it's very easy to remove. But the magic bit is that it actually seems to make my nails stronger. After removing the press-ons, my natural nails are stronger and thicker. It dries incredibly fast, which is perfect for quick fixes or applying press-on nails in a hurry. The glue holds nails securely in place, lasting for days without lifting or popping off. I've also noticed it works well for repairing broken nails. Number 1. Excuse Me Nail Repair Kit. Say goodbye to broken nails. This kit provides a quick and easy solution for repairing cracked, split, or weak nails, saving you time and money. It's the perfect choice for repairing broken and cracked nail tips. It also strengthens your natural nails and works with silk and fiberglass wrap systems. This versatile gel resin offers maximum strength and flexibility for all your nail repair needs. It ensures a long-lasting, beautiful finish. The kit includes everything you need: brush-on gel resin, clear dip powder, a nail buffer, and a nail file. Everything for a professional repair at home. First, brush the glue evenly onto the broken nail, avoiding the cuticles. Second, dip the nail into the powder for even coverage. Third, buff the surface smooth for a flawless finish. This professional-grade kit is made in the USA, ensuring high quality and reliable results. Get salon-quality results at home. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for repairing and strengthening your nails. If you need a comprehensive kit for repairing broken nails or enhancing your natural nails, this is the one for you. The brush-on glue and dip powder system makes repairs easy and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.